Get ready to spell words in Riley Spelling Headquarters. Let's start.
Spelling word number 1. Let's start. Spell the word great. Great means very good or large. Here's an example sentence. You did a great job. I repeat, spell the word great. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Awesome. The correct spelling is G-R-E-A-T. Spelling word number 2. Next word, spell the word guess. Guess means to say what you think without being sure. Here's an example sentence. Can you guess the answer? I repeat, spell the word guess. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Nice work. The correct spelling is G-U-E-S-S. Spelling word number 3. Let's continue. Spell the word gone. Gone means not here or away. Here's an example sentence. He is gone to the store. I repeat, spell the word gone. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Well done. The correct spelling is G-O-N-E. Spelling word number 4. You're doing amazing. Spell the word giraffe. A giraffe is a tall African animal with a very long neck. Here's an example sentence. The giraffe eats leaves. I repeat, spell the word giraffe. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Excellent. The correct spelling is G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Spelling word number 5. Last one. Spell the word group. Group means a number of people or things together. Here's an example sentence. We worked in a group. I repeat, spell the word group. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Wonderful job. The correct spelling is G-R-O-U-P.